Hello everyone, welcome to Sweet Talk with Ben
and Rachel.
In today's Sweet Talk, we're going to be focusing on how to create to-dos within ConstructionSuite, and then looking at how those to-dos tie into both ConstructionOnline and our mobile applications. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We can begin by creating either a to-do here in the main to-do list window of the Today screen of ConstructionSuite, or we can just simply click on to-dos on the navigation bar on the left. Once we're here underneath to-dos, we'll see all of the to-dos that we have created within ConstructionSuite and ConstructionOnline, all the ones that are assigned to specific projects, or ones that we have yet to assign to a project that are just general to-dos for you to have. Let's go ahead, we'll click Add To-Do to bring this up. That's going to launch the new to-do window where we can begin by entering in the subject for this to-do. Once we've entered in that subject title, we can then enter in any details that are pertinent to this to-do task. Maybe if you want to put in where you're going to be meeting with this contractor, phone number, anything like that, you can enter that in. We also have the due date. You can either enter in the due date manually, or if you wanted to, you can select it from the calendar icon on the right. You also have the option to assign a related contact specifically to this task, as well as a related project. So when you click to assign the related project, you see by clicking on the briefcase on the right-hand side of the bar there, it's going to launch the Select Project window, giving you a list of all the projects that you have, at which point we could go ahead and select this Abernathy residence. We see that the globe here denotes that this project resides in both ConstructionSuite and ConstructionOnline, so we want to make sure we can share that information, so we're going to select this project here. Alright, then we go ahead and click OK once the to-do has been created, and we'll notice that it has been created here within ConstructionSuite as well.
Now with Ben just creating that to-do, we can also now see it in ConstructionOnline because he's assigned that to our Abernathy residence project. To launch ConstructionOnline, we can use this bottom left corner and select the Launch ConstructionOnline orange button. This will open you to ConstructionOnline and make sure that you're viewing your latest activity or your upcoming events. But we can navigate to our to-dos on the left sidebar. As you can see, as soon as I pull up that to-do list, the meeting with contractor that Ben has just added in ConstructionSuite has automatically been created and assigned to the appropriate project. I can then update this from ConstructionOnline and add any additional notes or details or update percentages completed. Once I make those changes, they're automatically going to sync back with ConstructionSuite. But the nice thing here is that I can also start from ConstructionOnline and add to-dos online and have them sync directly to ConstructionSuite. You can also use your on-site to-do app for your iPhone, iPad, or Android. So again, you can start creating to-dos from the field or from your ConstructionOnline website and have those instantly entered back in ConstructionSuite. To create a new to-do in ConstructionOnline, you'd simply select New and then New To-Do. To enter your subject, assign it to a related project. We'll choose the Abernathy residence again. Here we have the ability to assign or relate resources. Assigned resources in ConstructionOnline are other people on your system who can edit this to-do, whereas related resources are going to be those who can view only. If you check the box to make this to-do private, it's going to make sure that only the people who are assigned or related would be able to see this when they log into ConstructionOnline or access these from their mobile apps. In order to sync with ConstructionOnline, you do want to make sure that you have a due date selected, and we'll go ahead and choose this Friday. Here we can attach any additional files, enter details or notes, or set percentage complete, but as soon as we create that to-do, it's automatically going to transfer back to ConstructionSuite so that Ben will show you how that will appear.
Once we are back in ConstructionSuite, you'll see we are right where we left off on the to-do screen. And now in order to pull in these changes and see what Rachel has created, we're going to want to make sure we click on the refresh icon up in the top right hand side of the screen here. When we do so, we'll notice that not only is the meeting with contractor task Not only has it been updated with the details and the percent complete that Rachel went ahead and entered in on ConstructionOnline, but we'll also notice that the new task that Rachel also created is here as well. This is certainly a great benefit to you, making sure that you're able to keep everybody on track and on the same page across the multiple platforms that we have, meaning that you can take the same power and functionality that you have here in the office to the field with you as well.
Thanks so much for tuning into Sweet Talk, and we look forward to seeing you next time.